correction and upgrade testing detects changes in the layouts, the calculations, the metadata, while comparative testing ensures the consistency across various environments. The functional validation aligns the reports with business rules, identifying any logic issues, and ensuring compliance. Performance and stress testing optimize the report's accessibility and load times under high user demand. And security testing enforces strict access controls, ensuring only authorized users access sensitive reports. Catalog and metadata validation maintain the report structures, the filters, and any visual elements across these different upgrade cycles. So a comprehensive test automation suite offers advanced capabilities such as row-level security, Selenium integration, filter validation, and metadata validation. So automating BI validation reduces these manual errors, it enhances your efficiency, and strengthens the trust in data-driven decisions.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Request a free demo. Scan the QR code below. Thank you.